Hey guys, welcome to Delaney Auto. My name's Sterling Grissom and we have a fresh trade-in just for you guys. This is a beautiful 2017 CR-V EXL. Guys, this has a clean CARFAX and it's certified, so we got loads of warranty on there. Wraparound headlights and taillights, fog lights, alloy wheels, breakaway mirrors that are powered and heated with turn signal indicators on the sides. We do rain guards, a sunroof, a power tailgate, and again, this is an all-wheel drive SUV. Well, let's check out some of the inside features. Coming to the back here, you're going to see we have loads of cargo space, plenty of room for furniture, boxes, whatever you're towing. And in the back, we also have the spare tire with the tools to change it if you needed them. These seats go down very easily as well. With one flickable lever, they're right down flat. In the back row, you're going to see we have that super soft, super comfortable leather interior. Not only does it look great, guys, it's very, very comfortable for those long rides. And then in the front here, we have a lot of cool features. Powered seating on both sides. They are heated as well with dual climate control. We have an LED display where you're going to have your media center, your radio, your backup camera. Again, we got the sunroof, we got a built-in garage door opener. So many great Honda safety features. There are so many other great features about this vehicle too. You got to come check it out in person. I'd love to show you guys this vehicle more in person. There's so many great features about it. Again, my name is Sterling Grissom. I'm at the Delaney Honda building across from the Walmart Supercenter in Indiana, PA. If you guys want to ride somewhere in comfort, style, and safety, then not only am I your salesman and we're your dealership, but this is your SUV.